Francis Pereira, who has been charge sheeted by this court with respect to vandalization of Almakuris at Chandor. He has been discharged, and judge has clearly mentioned that there is no evidence to proceed against the accused, and hence he has been discharged.
Okay. This is the 11th case, I think.
Yes, 11th case.
And case that is pending.
Some are pending in Kepen Court and Kanpon Court, and in one matter at Margao by first additional court has said that he wants to frame the charge. So that matter will go on.
Okay. So that will be the only case in Margao?
Yes, only one case.
Now only
yes,
one
only
case.
one case is left. This is regarding vandalization of Almakuris at Chandor. This is regarding Tario Kuris. This is occurred on 6/6/2017, I think so. That is handled by my other colleague, Advocate Babita.
मडगांव सिव्हिल अँड क्रिमिनल कोर्टान फ्रांसिसाक पुरावे नाशिल्ल्यान ब्रेस्तारा सोडली ती 11वी केस. पोलिसां कडेन ठोस पुरावे आनी साक्षीदार नाशिल्ल्यान आतां मेरेन फ्रांसीस सुटला त्यो केशी ह्यो: आल्माखुरीस तोडफोड चांदोर, नंदी तोडफोड कालकोंडा मडगांव, पारोडा पर्वत खुरीस तोडफोड, सेवन टेम्पल वेरोडा कुंकळी तोडफोड, सर्गेस्त PSI सायमन खुरीस तोडफोड, राय तोळे कुडतरी खुरीस मोडतोड, ब्रह्मा मूर्ती तोडफोड गुडी पारोडा खुरीस तोडफोड, पारोडा खुरीस मोडतोड, कारवाटा लोटले खुरीस मोडतोड, आल्मा खुरीसाचे दुसरे फावट तोडफोड चांदोर. प्रुडंटा खातीर सावयो डायस.